Hey everybody, what's going on? We're back in the E90 and we're gonna do some little bit of a different video than what we normally used to do. Okay, a subscriber has reached out to me and they want to know how can you configure your BMW from, let's say, miles an hour to kilometers an hour, or from imperial to metric, or from metric to imperial, vice versa. Give it a this will work with the BMW professional system. I don't have the iDrive system, so I'm not too sure about that. But what I'm going to do is we're going to go over the ones with the professional system first, and how to do it at your dashboard cluster itself. So we're going to go to the radio first, and then we're going to do it on the dashboard. This is like a follow-up video compared to my hidden menus video, which I will leave an annotation up here, and I'll also throw in a link down in the description. That video has over 90,000 views, so I suggest that you go and have a look at that one, and we can see what we can do with this. So let's get started with this one. We're gonna work with the radio first, and then we're gonna go over it at the dashboard. So hold on. Okay, we're here and we're gonna be using the menu button. This is for the BMW professional system. This will not work if you have the standard stereo. We have the menu button here. You have your control on your right, which in this case what it's doing is it's changing the radio station, and then you have your main control buttons here. You don't need to worry about the volume button or the power button at this point in time, nor do you need to use any of the other extra buttons. Okay, what you're going to do first is we're going to press the menu button, and we're going to go to press the configuration button. Configuration, you see your distance here. What this point is doing is in kilometers an hour or kilometers for distance. You're going to press down on this button, and then you're going to turn it over to the right. If from kilometers, it turns over to miles, and then you press OK. You press the button is basically OK. You press OK to save. Language: English UK, English US, Spanish, Italian, French, Japanese, German, Dutch. So I'm going to leave this as English UK. So with English UK, because the Europeans use miles per gallon and stuff, the consumption automatically went to MPG, which is the next one. You're going to press the button on the consumption. You can turn it to the left for liters per 100 k's, turn it to the right, miles per gallon, or you got kilometers per liter. There's a 3 settings. You choose the one that you want, and you press OK. So we're going to put it under miles per gallon. Temperature as well, degrees Celsius, degrees Fahrenheit. Just the 2, press OK. And then obviously here's your time and date, which you will go through and set. Okay, we're going to leave it at that for now. On this part here, we're going to change it up on the dashboard back to my factory setting, which will be kilometers an hour, and liters per 100 k's. So you can see this is the settings that we're going to leave it in, and we're going to be working with it on the dashboard using the BC button and the dashboard cluster itself. Okay, let's get started with that. Okay, to do this we're going to be using the BC button, which is here, and the stock control, which is here. You can see as I'm pressing the button, it's allowing me to cycle through just 3 settings. Okay, to do this we'll need to turn the key on and ignition. Okay, then you're going to use your BC button and your stock control. Right now my car is reading in miles an hour or miles, and we're going to cycle through by using the switch until we get to this icon here, which is a key with the little ruler. You press the BC button to set. Right now we have fuel consumption, which reads in miles per gallon. We're going to press the BC button again, and we're going to choose the one that we want, which in this case I want to bring it back to liters per 100 k's, and I'm going to press the BC button, and that's going to be saved. Now this is a bit of a tedious job because you're going to have to go through it all the time. You flick your BC button down twice. For this is specific for my car. It could be different for yours. You can press the BC button again. Right now that's fuel consumption, and now that's distance. You see a little arrow? That's distance. So I'm going to press the BC button and I'm going to go to kilometers. Notice that you have this little line up here. that's where it tells you your indication. So basically it's right at the top and it's right at the bottom. So now you know that's only 2 settings. You press the BC button and we go. Now you see it's changed over from miles, it's gone to kilometers, and this car is now reading 170,800. This car is now reading 170,080 kilometers in total. Okay, you're gonna go back to the ruler and you're gonna go to time zone to 24 hours. That's fine. My time zone, date, time, degrees Celsius, and as a reset, so you can reset all the other stuff. Right now basically that's all that is to it. There are more features that we can do, but let's see. To exit the menu you're gonna have to go back, press the BC button, and BC button again, and we're out. Now there's also another thing you can do, and that is this. You're gonna go to key into set. This is to set your car, but I'm gonna leave this for another video, and we can look forward to that. But the main part we have done was to configure your BMW to the settings and to the digits and to the units that what you want your car to read. So guys, with that being said, I hope this video really helped you. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and do consider subscribing to the channel. Also follow me on Instagram at realprishanb, and we can keep in contact and interact with you directly. You can see all my Instagram stories, my latest posts, like the pictures, go ahead, and we can see. I'd like to connect with you. What vehicles do you have? What type of informative videos do you want me to make? What type of content do you want me to make for you? All that coming over in certain videos. Also my social media, we can keep in contact and we can connect together as well. Anyway guys, I hope this video helped you. If you did, like I said, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Also leave your comments if you have any questions, any types of suggestions. I'm open to all form of feedback, whether it's negative or positive, whatever. My main concern is to give you videos that will help you out and also give you a little bit of insight as to what goes on with me. So I got a lot of stuff that's coming out, and there's a lot of new videos that I had planned, just didn't have get time to do it. So now there's gonna be a lot of stuff going. I hope to see you there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.